Since I came back from Guyana, my love for curry is over the top. So anytime I'm cooking for someone, I like to kind of add curry to it. And spinach is my staple food in everything that I do. So I'm making a curry yam with spinach today. So I got this yam from the grocery store and they said it was Ghana yam, and I think it was like $6, $7 for it. So that was really inexpensive. And then I chopped the yam up and everything, and then I added curry to boil with the yam so I could get it in the yam. I did that, and then when it was done, almost done, I just sprinkled my spinach over it because I don't cook my spinach for over 5 minutes because, hey, again, I'm cooking to heal the body. When that happened, and I got some sardines that I got from the grocery store. Like I opened it up and I mashed it up and I added the pepper, the cayenne pepper, add the seasoning for your taste. And I put that in a pot separately. And then when this was ready, I got some butter and I put it in the pan and then added all the ingredients together and it was ready to serve. So watch the rest of the video and see. But you can tell that my spinach was not cooked, and the goal is to not cook my spinach done because I'll lose all of the nutrients. Keep following Baba Jojo. This is just a one-off, so I'll be cooking here and there. If I have visitors visiting, I'll take to social media, I will cook and then kind of record it. But for the most part, I'll be doing most of my juicing, I'll be doing my smoothie. So that's what my page will be about. So keep following. Thank you. And if there's a dish that you want me to cook, like an African dish, if you want me to cook it the vegan way, I would do it. But other than that, yep, that's it. Watch to the end.
Come, let's move. Come, let's shake. Come to Mama Jojo.